Hello friends. Welcome my YouTube channel. Today I create Netflix logo by using Illustrator. Create new document. Rename the project and change units to pixels. Then type document size and click Create button. First you go to View menu and click Fit Artboard in window. Go to Type tool and type Netflix. Change font family to Babos Nui. Now text align to artboard vertically and horizontally. Then change the color. Go to Object menu and click Make with Warp option. Now select Arc Lower Style and change the bend value. Then click OK. Go to Rectangle tool and create new rectangle for background. Now rectangle align to artboard vertically and horizontally. Change the rectangle color. Now arrange the layers. Okay friends. Thanks for watching Multimedia Guider YouTube channel and don't forget subscribe my channel.